What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. In today's video we will be doing an embroidery on a hat, on a dad hat. It's nothing long, but we're going to go ahead and press this button right here and get it started. So now this design, it's hands with chains on them, and the hands are breaking free. It's just to symbolize what we're going through right now in these days and these times. And in order for change, we have to break free of the things that we're used to doing. You know what I mean? The old ways. We have to get into a new mindset. So this design will take about 12 minutes. I'm using only one color, which would be black, so it shouldn't be long. Yeah. What's funny is I had this design for a while now, but especially the stuff that's going on today and in these times, why not bring it out? Move the camera back real quick. Some more light. There we go. Yo, this design is coming out amazing. Sorry about the camera moving, just trying to get a great angle. Like I said, video on 12 minutes, shouldn't take long. There's a total of 6,600 stitches. I'm at 2,000 stitches right now, so it's not going to be a long video. Just want to just display some of the work I can do. Once again, this will be on my Instagram, so definitely go and check that out. And once again, if you have any type of design or logo you want digitized and or put on a hat or any clothing, contact me through my Instagram, which will be in the link below in the description, so check that out. Zoom in a little bit. Perfect. Now I can zoom out some. Now we're going to go over to the chain part. I don't think I got to cut none of these jump stitches, so I'm going to let it just keep stitching out on its own. And I'll wait until the end to cut the jump stitches. So it looks like it's going to, you know what? That is a pretty big jump stitch. That's one that I will cut. I don't have any scissors around me. This is weird. Hold on for 1 second. Alrighty, I'm back. Go ahead and cut this. Okay, come back over here. Perfect. Start that back up. What I am going to do is try to hold this down over here on this side so that it won't get caught. Please do not do this at home. I probably didn't put enough adhesive on this side, so that's why it's coming up like this. Let this stitch out a little bit more, then I'll be right back when it's almost finished. Guys, stay tuned, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel, hit those bell notifications, and thumbs up the video. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you, guys. So stitch out's almost done. Just a little bit left to go. And we're all set. Perfect. Just finished. Alrighty. Lift this up. I'm going to take this out and show you guys the final result. Let me zoom out. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. So this is it. Breaking free, breaking loose of the chains. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Once again, it's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, like up the videos, and also hit those notifications. Subscribe, guys. Once again and always, stay blessed, continue to strive for greatness, and I'm out.